Hello YouTube. We've got I've got a old microwave I use to nuke CDs before I throw them away. That way it destroys all the data that's on them. But today I figured we'd try something a little bit different. Let's try and microwave a taillight bulb from a Mazda. I'm going to go ahead and, I don't know if I should leave night vision on or not, but it's a pretty useless microwave. It's primer gray inside and burnt, but we'll throw that bulb in there and figure out what I did with the power cord. There we go. That's pretty cool. Let's do another. Well, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed.